The Darkmax 220 from FuriBee is black, sexy, and apparently very powerful. In part 1 we unboxed, inspected and set up this awesome looking quad. Now it's time to see if it lives up to its name. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down and help us to 6,000 subs by smashing that subscribe button. Enjoy the flight test. So we're here for the flight test with the Darkmax. It is a horrible, blustery day today, really windy, but we have a problem. Now, when I was testing this indoors, I had this issue where just during a hover, it would glitch like that really rapidly and actually spin in circles sometimes. So I updated the speed controllers to the latest firmware version, and that seemed to settle the issue. Although I think that was just coincidence, because I think we still have the problem. So just to demonstrate that, if I fly it, and I forgot my takeoff mat, stupid of me, very stupid of me. Let's put it on there. Throttle up, get it up in the air, and you see we've got this weird glitching issue. There it goes, yeah. So this at the moment, as it stands, is unflyable, and I'm not sure why it's doing that, although I have read about an issue with the flight controller here. Apparently there's a batch of the Darkmaxes going out with the square buzzer that I've got in here. Apparently the round buzzer flight controller is not affected by this issue. So I think I might have that problem. What I'm going to have to do is contact GearBest, get the new flight controller sent to me, install it, no soldering is required, it's just a simple swap out, and then we'll have to do the flight test again. But how disappointing. I've been looking forward to flight testing this for a while. Sadly, I'm not going to be able to carry it on today. Okay folks, I'm very sorry, but this is going to be a part 3 coming soon, unfortunately. Thanks for watching, comment below with your thoughts, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do.